Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Combining the desire for opulent mobile living with Toyota's well-known dependability and engineering brilliance. The 2026 Toyota Luxury Castle on Wheels motorhome is an alluring offer. Although Toyota usually offers reliable and well-designed motorhome platforms, the idea of a luxury castle on wheels implies a considerable increase in terms of luxury and grandeur. Such a vehicle's exterior would probably exude a sense of sturdy capability and understated elegance. One could expect a refined and aerodynamically aware form, possibly combining high-end materials and finishes, even if it isn't explicitly showy. In addition to providing expansive views of the surroundings, large, well-placed windows would optimize natural light in the living areas. The castle element could be represented by a large, commanding presence that suggests the roomy, luxurious interior. The emphasis on luxury and castle would become evident as soon as one entered the 2026 Toyota Luxury Castle on Wheels. The interior would probably have well-designed areas with premium materials like bespoke textiles, polished hardwood floors, and beautiful leathers. A large living space for entertaining and relaxation, a gourmet kitchen with cutting-edge appliances, a master bedroom with great comfort and seclusion, and possibly other features like a separate dining area or a study might all be included in the arrangement. The entire living experience would be improved by the smooth and simple integration of cutting-edge technologies for communication, entertainment, and climate management. This mobile castle's comfort and functionality would surely benefit from Toyota's engineering know-how. A smooth and stable ride is what one could anticipate, possibly made possible by a sophisticated suspension system. Reliable long-distance travel would be ensured by a strong and effective powertrain. The feeling of elegance and sophistication would be further enhanced by careful consideration of the overall build quality and sound insulation. The term castle on wheels conveys a sense of independence and readiness in addition to luxury. This might result in strong power systems, lots of storage space, and possibly even features that improve off-grid living. A haven on the road, the general atmosphere would probably be one of calm comfort and subtle elegance. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Luxury Castle on Wheels motorhome aims to combine a dedication to upscale mobile living with Toyota's renowned engineering. It implies a car that puts comfort, quality, and a feeling of elegant grandeur first, providing its occupants with a real home away from home that can travel over a variety of terrains with dependability and elegance. Although this design differs from Toyota's more popular RV options, it presents an image of remarkable mobile luxury based on reliable engineering.